In this video, you'll learn how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully linked your Calendly account with your Google Calendar for seamless scheduling. Begin by navigating to calendly.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the home page where you can either sign in or create an account if you do not already have one. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your account. Next, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This section allows you to manage various integrations with your Calendly account. After selecting this, you will be directed to a new page featuring different integration options. After that, use the search bar on the integrations page to type in Google Calendar. Click on the Google Calendar option. Once it appears in the search results, this will lead you to a new screen dedicated to integrating your Google Calendar with Calendly. Then find and click on the button that says Connect Calendar Account. This action will initiate the connection process. You may see a loading indicator as the system prepares to link the two accounts. Wait until the next screen appears before proceeding. Following this, you will see a list of calendars associated with your Google account. Click on the specific Google Calendar you wish to connect to Calendly. If you have multiple calendars, ensure you select the correct one for your scheduling needs. Now, a Google sign-in page will appear if you are not already signed in. Click on Choose an Account to select the Google account you want to link. After selecting your account, click on the Continue button to authorize the connection. This process may take a moment, and you should see a confirmation screen once the authorization is successful. Finally, once the integration is complete, you should receive a message indicating that your Google Calendar is now connected to Calendly. This confirmation means that any events scheduled through Calendly will automatically sync with your Google Calendar, allowing for better management of your time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.